They just dropped. Yes, the buy one get one free at Love's Holiday Deals 2021 just dropped in online, available online now. We got two different kits. I'll let you guys know. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. You got the first one. This is two 5 amp hour batteries, battery packs, a charger, and a bag. You get to select your free tool. So you get down here to the free tools, and you get to select. You can the 20 volt trigger switch cordless angle grinder. You can select the 5 amp hour lithium starter battery pack, the 20 volt max job site blower, the 20 volt quarter-inch variable speed brushless cordless impact driver. You got the XR brushless variable speed keyless cordless jigsaw. Oh, and big shout out to Warmonger. He's the at Instagram. He's the one that posted this. That's how I know these deals dropped. So big shout out to him. You got a 20 volt brushless cordless random orbit sander with the bag. So you're getting a bag. Oh, I guess we're getting a bag with that. Oh yeah, it's the bag as in for the dust bag. You got a quarter-inch variable speed brushless fixed router with no case included. Tool. You got cordless brushless 20 volt max variable speed oscillator multi toolkit. You got 20 volt brushless cordless sheet sander. You got 2,000 lumen power floodlight, or tool flashlight. My bad. You got the variable speed brushless 3/8 square drive cordless impact wrench. You get the variable speed half an inch cordless impact wrench. You can get the variable speed brushless cordless reciprocating saw, bare tool, or you can get the 20 volt max 6.5 cordless circ saw. So alright, those are deals. Alright guys, this is the other one. Alright, so this is the Dewalt Power Detect. I think this is the much better deal. This is a better deal here. It says add to price in the cart. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to add it to the cart so you can let you guys know the price. Alright guys, we got the Dewalt Power Detect XR Power Detect 20 volt max brushless power tool combo kit with soft case, 2 batteries and chargers included. So you get an 8 amp hour battery, guys. You guys know what that means, right? You guys are getting that 21700 cells, those upgraded cells with the Power Detect. That's an awesome battery to get. It'll power up all your brushless tools, give it the most out of your brushless tools. All right, so you're gonna get the DCD 998, which is top of the line hammer drill. This is a 20 volt max 8 amp hour battery. Drill will output about, I don't know, 29% more, I guess. DCD 998, 3-speed high performance all-metal transmission optimizes. Alright, and then you're gonna get the XR. So XR is gonna be top of the line for the XR Dewalts. Alright, so let's choose the gift here. Let's see what we got. Alright guys, I'm telling you guys, this is the deal to get. You guys are gonna get to choose from the Power Detect tools. This is the Dewalt XR Power Detect 20 volt max 7.25 circ saw. You get to select the Dewalt XR Power Detect half an inch 20 volt 8 amp variable speed brushless cordless hammer drill. So if you want another one, a second one, you guys could get it. And this is the Dewalt XR Power Detect 4.5 inch 20 volt max paddle switch brushless cordless angle grinder. Guys, this is a beast. You got the XR Power Detect 20 volt max variable speed brushless cordless reciprocating saw. Guys, you guys select any of these. It says valid offer 10/25 to 1/5. So definitely check it out, guys. It's worth it. I think the Power Detect, it's gonna be. We're just gonna select. We're gonna select this. Can we select this one? It's not letting me. Okay. Let's see. Add to cart. Are we in the cart already? It says 2 items added to the cart. View cart. All right, guys. What's this? Oh, that's an address to one of the Lowe's here. All right, so it's the power detect. You're gonna get the power detect for $2.99. It's down from $3.99. That's a really good deal. And you get to select a free tool. This is the free tool. Yeah, guys, what's working right now? Go get them. Power detect is one of the most powerful Dewalts out there. So go get them. I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform. My subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.